Hey, welcome back to my React lessons on freeCodeCamp platform for securing React certification. So this challenge is all about creating different nested components within different parents. Yeah, so that means creating different subsets. So let's take here an example of food, types of fruit, and fruits component. These are the different components given. It's getting more and more complex, and it's more exciting to build complex structures and apps using React structuring. So let's see how do we build it. Okay, so types of food component should return a single div element, and types of food should return fruits. This is nothing to be confused. Fruit is a subset of types of food, as we know. It's a type of food, right? And types of fruit will come under fruits. Obviously, fruits will have different types of fruit. So one is parent and the other one is child, or you can say one is subset of the other. So basically, whichever is a subset or whichever is a child, we're just inserting it within the parent, and that parent we are inserting it within the main parent. That's it. So const type of fruit, the UI within the list items, between the different list items, is already provided for you, so you don't have to do anything about it. Yeah, so I'm just resetting the code which I've already done so that we can redo it again for you. So this is a const type of fruit, which is a functional stateless component. As we know already, we've seen it earlier, this doesn't have a state. All the fruits list is given here. Then you have another component again, which is stateless functional component, which is const fruits. This is returning a div, and we need to finish that off. Then types of food, another one, which is a class component with a state, with constructor and super props, which has a state. So these are the two things we need to do. So first, this is already there on the UI. What you can see is types of food, because that's the only thing provided. So as and when you start nesting, you will see different things, updates on the UI. Finally, after you finish the updates. Okay, so let's see first what we want to do. Okay, so here this is already there, const type. Then you go further. You have types of food and fruits. So read the task carefully. Types of food should return fruits. Okay, so go to types of food. Just insert or nest or insert the fruits component inside the div. That's it. The types of fruit is already there. I don't need to do anything about it. I just need to find the const fruits. The function fruits and types of food are inside. These two I need to fill up, or rather nest the other components, child components. Okay. So here in this class component, what do I need to fill up, or what do I need to nest? The child. So this is class types of foods. So fruit is actually a type of food, right? So I will fill up fruits component inside the type of food. There you go. Okay, so it's still not complete. Yeah, because under fruits, what is it? We have one more here to do, which is under the fruits component. Yeah, okay. Under the fruits, it's types of fruits. We haven't done that. Yeah, missed out on that. So under fruits, I need to do the subset of fruits or child, which is types of fruits. So the types of fruits component, let me insert that inside the const fruits. Yeah. So just insert that, or rather just nest it within this component inside your open and close div. Yeah, types of fruit inside the fruits. And remember, it's types of fruit. See the spelling very carefully of what is provided. Types of fruit, because types of fruit is already there with the list. Okay, so under fruits, we will do the child, which is types of fruit. So do it very slowly, no rush. Just read the instruction, it's already there, the hint is already provided there, the task is already provided. Types of, so keep reading it twice, thrice. Types of, and remember caps letters, types, T of. If 3 words means starting with 3 capitals, so you can understand better, and it's given that way. Types of fruit only, not fruits. See the spelling properly. So this is one component. This is the way you write a component inside the fruit. So types of fruit is a child. Now you will be surprised, already the list is coming. Why? Because types of fruit is already there as a component. They've provided it in the question itself with the list. So the moment you see const types of fruits. So the moment you nest types of fruit inside fruits, automatically in the UI, it will show you the types of fruit. So this is the magic. Not black magic, but coding magic, React magic. See? So this is how you do. So first the child within the parent, and then whatever is already there with the information will show here. List. And sometimes, but when you're coding yourself, you have to do all of these, even the types of fruits. So this is just done for fun element. So just to show you that if you nest one within the other, let's say you're nesting B within A, and then you will nest A within C, then you will see the magic, the final list. So whichever way or whichever order you're doing. Yeah, so that's the magic of React. You can nest several such components within parents, and that parent you are building up within another component, within another major parent. So it's like child, parent, grandparent, great grandparent. The hierarchy goes like that. This is, if you see it in real life comparison, it's something like that. So React is like building up the hierarchy. So in buildings also, when you're building up a toy in your childhood, how do you build blocks? From smaller chunks to bigger chunks, and then bigger chunks, you build up that way. So in React also, you build components and structures using chunks. So it's quite interesting, right? Even the UI you can build that way. So application is built using these kind of chunks, and it's quite easier to do that way. So here you have next chapter is on composed React components, which gets more complex. Smash the subscribe button before it gets too complex and you forget to subscribe.